Hello from Slovenia again. I have some paints from my previous pours on the table today, and I will reuse one of my 14 by 14 inch canvases, and I already put some white base down and put it on the spinner. And here I have my cup, and I will layer paints randomly. I have Amsterdam Prussian blue, I have 24 karat gold, I have Pebeo from DecoArt, Pebeo copper, I have Vallejo magenta, I have my pearl white mixture, of course. I have a little bit of Vallejo cobalt violet and Amsterdam red violet and Amsterdam greenish blue. Maybe I can show you the consistency of my paints. And these two are these little piggy pigments from yesterday. This is Mermaid. Maybe it will be better. No. And this is Blue Eyes. These little piggy pigments. And I will do a straight pour or ring pour, just fantasy pour, like Mina would say. And another word that Mina uses, loopy loops. I will do some loopy loops. So definitely something that you normally see on Mina's Ceramic channel, Massy Art Studio. You know, all those guys that do, and girls that do beautiful straight and ring pours. So I will layer my cup. I will let you play some music while I'm doing that, and see you in a bit. Okay, as you probably saw, I just tried to use all those paints. This is my cup, and I have my white down already, so I definitely have enough paint to work with. And I will just start pouring. So let's do some loopy loops now. What I want. I like this part, maybe this copper not as much, so I will start in the middle. And loop this up. Okay. Just go around here too, just like that. Oop, 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 oop. Okay. And now I will spin that. How weird it looks. So let's do that. Maybe tilt it a little more to that side. So let's see. Stop. Now I will put my gloves on and tilt it a little bit more. So let's go to this side first. And back. That side. And back. To the last corner, and then I will stare. Okay, let's see. I definitely want a little more of that off. I don't like that part at all. Okay, enough. Let's go back to the middle a little bit. Okay, and Now I will just give it another spin. Check my corners. Okay, this one is okay. This one, I like this copper here because it's really nice. So I will say that I'm done. I'm really curious because of all those metallic and pigments, how this will look dry, because I'm pretty sure that it will be pretty. Okie doke. I'm just thinking to tilt a little more of this off, or this corner here kind of not what I would have on my canvas. So let's see if there is still enough paint to tilt this part off a little bit. But I don't want to lose that copper part, so okay. Let's go back to the middle. A little down. Okay. I'm more happy with that, I think. So here it is. I'm really happy with this copper part there because it looks amazing with the magenta and pearl white with this transparency that it creates. And here you can almost see through, see? Not so happy with all parts, but still, and this is gorgeous. And these are these little piggy pigments that they will dry really pretty. So I can't wait how this will look like when it will be dry. So this was my loopy loop for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.